Hey, the history of Python programming language dates back to the late 1980s and it is first released in 1991. The Python programming language was created by Guido van Rossum. You can know more about him by visiting his personal blog, which I have given in this reference section. Often, people assume that Python programming language is named after a snake. Even the logo of Python programming language depicts the picture of two snakes, but the story behind the name is somewhat different. Back in 1970s, there was a comedy show called Monty Python Flying Circus, and Guido was a big fan of that show. And when he developed the programming language, he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious. So he decided to name the language as Python. That's the story behind naming the language as Python.